neutral with a plug that's in the living room, because a plug that's in the living room, you're going to be using a TV, you're going to be using a whole lot of different stuff, and then you're going to get into start to trip your devices. They can be on different side of the panel, just not on the same phase. They can be on different side of the panel. I'm not sure about that. I know in Canada here, when we are sharing neutrals, um, like I said, I've worked in commercial, and it's my background, it's my field. I've done about 16 years in commercial, and I've always shared. If you look into, I don't know if you have a code book there. There should be a rule in the code book, but you don't share. I cannot, like I say, I cannot share a neutral on this side with this side. Okay, it doesn't work. Whatever neutral I'm sharing in commercial, it has to be on this side. So again, I'm not sure. Maybe that's how you guys do it there. I'm not sure. It can be on different side of the panel, just not on the same phase. Yeah, like I say again, I'm not 100% sure about that. The way we do it here is we share it on the same side. Um, why I know that is because that's the way I was taught. It's the way I was trained. Um, so again, I'm not sure about sharing a neutral on the other side of the panel. I've never done it. So okay, and like I said, so the reason why I have my plywood, I put my plywood so I can install my panel. I put my panel on the plywood. As you can see, I have my holes here. I have my holes coming out. It makes the panel neater. Okay. All my wires are labeled. Okay. Everything's labeled. And again, yeah. And this here will be my feeder cable. Okay. And yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you all for tuning in. Commercial, industrial, electrical interior. Maybe we just do things different. Yeah, it's possible that you guys do it different there, but like I said, for us here, I've always done it the other way. So I'm not 100% sure of how you guys do it in the States. But yeah, so again, thank you guys for tuning into my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. And thank you. Okay, how do I end this? Yes, I will definitely just stay tuned to my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and yes, you can see my videos and stuff online. Favoring Electrical Services Inc. Obviously, is my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, how do I end this?